What is up, Flamers? It's Flamer here. Welcome back to another video. What's up, Lucy? Okay, well, we have a mission. Well, I don't know how long it's gonna be. Probably about 10-15 minutes, maybe. But here we have a soldering iron holder, stuff like that. Now, I recently got one the other day. But the thing is, mine's is not completely put together all the way. So here's the game plan, Hoss. You got this, which is a soldering iron holder. Here, I will show you a better picture of it. Kablammy. See? Kabloom, kablam, bloom, right there. It holds a thing called a soldering iron. It's kind of like a weld thing, maybe. Kind of, not really. Anywho's, this one's older because it's got that plug in it. Most of them have a circle plug in it. Alright, cool. It plugs up, turns on. Alright, now I have been told that we do not know if that works. And Papa, my grandfather, said that his may or may not work because it really doesn't get that good of connection. Stuff like that. So, all I have to do now is plug it up and sit and wait. Lucy. I might as well let Lucy in. Come on, Lucy. Alright. Oh my. That does not sit in there very well, but it sits in. Okay. Well, I hope and pray it'll work. More likely won't. There we go. We're going to see if we can get it to work. Let's hit. Okay, and then I gotta go over here and get the solder, because I'm pretty sure this ain't gonna work. But we're gonna get the newest looking solder we have, which is this. Oh, this is this is flux solder too, man. And if I had a lighter up here, I would show you, but I don't. Stuff like that. So. Yeah, let's turn that up. But yeah, this is solder. You use it, you know when you like find a motherboard or something like that and you turn it over and you see all those little gray spots on it? That's what this is. Not this thick. Nowhere near this thick. What size is this? This is 1/8 thick. 1/8 with flux. And then I'm gonna edit this video, probably. Oh, okay, it works. It works. Holy, that's hot. Anywho's, watch this. I don't know if it's hot enough to do that. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot enough. You got that right. Why are you not heating up? Are you? I guess it's not hot enough to heat it. But, oh, it's hot. Hoo-wee. Don't try this at home, kids. Hoo-wee, it's hot. Okay. That's all that matters is that it works. Okay, good. That's good news. Real good news. You solder. You're flux. I don't want flux. You're still just as thick. Oh, my God. Oh, it hurts. It's hot. I'll tell you that much. Owie. It's not working. Hoo-wee, it stinks. How are you getting? Okay, you're not getting hot. That's good. Oh. I don't like the way that sounds. Oh, golly, man. Golly, son. Most of the time you have a thing, it's like, oh, me. Most of the time it's like, kind of like a little tiny dish of, gold shavings, it looks like. But it's to clean the tip of the brush off. Or clean it off. It's not melting. Maybe I just keep it there a minute. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe these things don't get hot enough. Oh, good sign. Good sign. Oh, we got it. We got her. Trying. You're gonna want a fan for this or a mask. Lucy, get out of there. Seriously, you just worked, dude. Anyways, it worked. You seen it smoking, maybe, hopefully. I really don't like working with flux. Okay, now is for the next part of the experiment. Okay, so it works. We just, oh, I got really hot, too. I just don't like working with flux. I don't know why. Just flux is a real pain in the butt to work well. If you don't have the right stuff, it sticks and stuff. I don't really understand what the flux is supposed to do. I learned that 2 years ago, so the memory on it really ain't the greatest. Do you have flux, though? Are you flux? Maybe this one's not flux. Maybe we can do something with this. Once again, 1/8. Lucy, stop biting my ankle, dog. Oh, yo, this is Lucy. New addition to the family. What's up? Lucy, say hi. Lucy? Lucy? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're going to try this now. Okay, now, Papa's thing was like, oh, it'll constantly stay hot. I think it will. I'm not for sure. This is pretty thick solder, too, so, like, I got a feeling that's a big thing about it, though, so. I don't think it's getting hot enough. Yeah, let's turn her up and talk a minute. So, I'm a senior at my school. I'm not gonna give that out, but I'm a senior, and so I just got through finishing exams today, and it's cold, really, really cold. But anyways, I just got done with exams today, midterm exams, and I got Christmas. It's around Christmas time, so midterm exams done. I passed all of them. So, yeah. And so after this, I don't know really what I'm going to do with my life. Probably going to get a job. Going to try to find an apartment as soon as possible. We're going to see if we can finally get this thing to work. Oh, wait, it stinks. Oh, God, like I said before, you're going to want, like, a mask or a fan or something with this. Hooey! It does stink, for real. Fucking, why don't the thing work? It don't want to work, I don't know why. But, okay, so we're done with this. But anyhow, on the side note, we're going to unplug that, let that cool down for a bit. Side note, I know you can't see it, but we are currently doing, well, we've already done the stuff with the four-wheeler. We just need to put it back together. So, the rear brakes were messing up on it, so we had to fix that. Besides that, that's really it. So, yeah. So, good news is that it works. It got hot, just not hot enough to melt the solder. Either one, it's really cold. Two, it could be flux. I don't know. But it could be, like I said, this is pretty thick solder, so it could just be a bit. Oh my God, we got small solder. Never mind. Oh, I just really, flux. Lead-free electrical rosin core solder. Happy. Okay. Sorry. This is really cool to me. I like soldering. It's fun. Except when you burn yourself like I did just a few minutes ago. Now, this is really thin solder. This is the solder that we like. That I like, personally. Oh, my God, dude. It's not... It should do this one pretty quick, though, for real. Just let it warm up a bit. And I'm going to take y'all once again to go over here and look at the different kinds of solder we have. Shall we? Okay. Do we have anything other than that? I don't think we do. No, because that is the thinnest solder we have. Maybe this one's maybe a little bit thinner, but not much. But maybe. Yeah, it should be nice and warm by now. These things get hot really quick. Like I said, this is an older one, and you can tell it's really old. Here. And then, yeah, all right. Okay. Anyways, that'll be all for today. I'm sorry it did not work, guys. But I will see all you dudes in the next one. Deuces.